Hello friend, how are you? Hope that you are very well, and today in this video I will share some tips how to learn English easily. But first of all, I just want to say that if you get more video about learning English, please subscribe my channel and press the all bell icon so that when I published a video, firstly you will get it. Okay friend, and come to the point. The topic of this video is how to learn English easily. Okay, don't wait for it, let's go start. Actually, learning English is a common matter. If you want to learn it is a common matter. Everybody of the world want to learn English so that they can easily communicate with other people of the world. And I think you know that the world of the people can understand only one language, that is English language, because English is an international language. And in this case, I just want to say that if you really want to learn English, first of all, you have to stay in environment of English, and then you have to spend your time those people who are able to understand your feeling, and then you have to hear a lot of English motivational lecture, and in this case you will learn English. Okay friend, and in this case I just want to say that we all love to speak our mother tongue. This is the matter. And every day we have to do a lot of work. As a student, we have to do a lot of work. Like that, we have to wake up in the morning to study and then go to college. After going to college, we have to talk to our different friends, and then we have to talk to stranger on the road. Well, we can talk our friend circle. This is better, but if we try to say this in English, our English will improve, and this is the way. And I just want to say that whatever you do throughout the day, try to speak in English, and I believe that your English will improve day by day. Trust me, your English will improve day by day, and this is the way you can learn English quickly. Hello friend, that's enough for learning English. Okay friend, today is no more. I will come back in next video with another topic, and then you will discuss about English. And till then, everyone stay well. Okay, see again in future, and goodbye.